We want to demonstrate osmosis using whisking tubing, and here are the requirements. We have distilled water, we have sugar solution, we have the whisking tubing, we have 30 centimeter ruler, we have piece of thread, we have the scalpel, and we have the white tile. You cut a piece of whisking tubing that is 8 centimeters long, and you cut. After you've cut the 8 centimeters piece of whisking tubing, you immerse it in distilled water. So you take this whisking tubing and immerse it in distilled water and allow it to settle for 5 minutes for it to soften. After the 5 minutes, you remove the whisking tubing from the water and you open one end. So you spread it within fingers to open. It has opened, and you tie the lower end with a piece of thread. So you use this thread to close the other end. You tie the other end like that. After that, you take the sugar solution and pour inside the whisking tubing to fill a half of it. Like that, it should fill a half of it. Then you tie the upper end with a piece of thread. You tie this upper end. After you've tied the other end, you immerse it in distilled water and allow it to settle for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, the whisking tubing became swollen, and this is because water molecules were highly concentrated in the distilled water. Therefore, they moved from their region of high concentration through this semi-permeable whisking tubing by osmosis into the sugar solution, and that is why it became swollen.